Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. This is the weekly watch list for the S&P 500 futures and other stocks for November 20th, 2022. The year's almost over. What a crazy year it's been. Next week is Thanksgiving, so there's no trading on Thursday. I believe Friday is going to be a half day for Black Friday. And so what do we see going into next week? Well, look at the chart for the S&P 500. We're going to probably go sideways. Nice little bull flag starting to form right here. And usually on holidays like this, it's usually you start to see a skew to the upside. So I won't be surprised if we break up and probably come right to around this 4100 by next Friday. And that'd be a nice kind of breakout to the upside. And usually slow, like holiday weeks, it's kind of like it's always goes higher year over year. You go look at any one, just because trading is manipulated with the algos and all that. Not a lot of trading volume. So that's kind of my call for this week, is a move to the upside on the S&P 500 up to the 4100 breakout of this bull flag. It'll be interesting because if that happens, we will now be above the 200 EMA, okay, a close. And then what happens the following week, right? If we close, is it a look above and fail, kind of like what we did back here? Also, as we get up there, we'll probably be up near this upper trend line. And then could we roll back over going into the end of the year? We'll see. But I am looking at bullishness for next week. But first, if you want to help support my channel, get some trading education, and also get weekly S&P Emini trade zone levels, support, and resistance, then you need to sign up with my $99 lifetime subscription, one-time payment of the S&P weekly trade zones, where you will get support and resistance levels, any open gaps and VPOCs, and you will also get a 7-hour video course of my top 5 trading strategies that I go over, that I use on a daily basis. Also, as a bonus, you will get over 30 free Thinkorswim custom indicators and charts, and you will get on a weekly basis every weekend Thinkorswim share chart, so you can upload the drawings directly to your charts. If you use another brokerage firm, here are all the levels that you'll be able to draw your own levels on. So make sure you check out daytradingfearless.com to sign up, or the link down below. Again, $99, but back to the video. Okay, with that being said, let's take a look at the NQ. NQ's kind of lagging right here, really kind of same thing, bull flag, but really nothing is going on with the NQ. Look at this. We're pretty far away from the 200, the point of control. Again, could the big tech get kind of their act together with the stocks and make a move higher? Oh no, we'll see. I'm not a huge fan. I think, again, if the S&P rallies higher, the NQ will rally higher too, but I think the S&P Dow will outperform NASDAQ. So over probably throughout the rest of the year. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil, I was actually kind of bullish on crude oil, and let's clean up this chart. We actually had a weird reversal day. We actually made new highs, or kind of had that double top right here. M pattern broke down from it. So we may keep going lower. I would redraw these lines to look something like this right now. And one of the reasons is the winter is actually a lot warmer than people were expecting, I believe. So that's kind of probably the fall for crude oil. I'd be watching this lower value area low on the market profile side of it, and that may be our kind of target, that's 70. If we get down there, I would probably want to watch for potentially a bounce down around the 70, 71 level on crude oil. So let's take a look at Bitcoin BTC. Kind of just a bear flag, right? We're flagging out what's the next shoe to drop. The whole debacle with FTX. Now you got the Gemini and all those companies. It's definitely crazy out there in crypto world right now. But I will say, I think it's actually a really good thing going on with all this, because a lot of stuff is getting flushed out of the system. We do need regulation with it, with crypto, for it to kind of really become something longer term, right? But in the short term, yeah, dude, this thing's just a complete mess. This is kind of what we're looking at. Watch this. If we break lower, we'll probably head lower. You can see I'm drawing these lines, right? Major lines, secondaries, things like that. So we'll leave this, kind of see what happens, but this does look bear flag. Remember, I've been calling for about 11 or 12,000 this entire year on Bitcoin. Been calling it ever since way back up here. So we will see if we could hit those targets eventually. Let's take a look at gold. I've been going bullish for gold the last couple weeks. Told you guys, nice divergence, kind of nice rally up, and then the last couple days it kind of fell. I even said, hey, watch, we'll probably get it up to this point of control. Guess what? Tagged it, and now we're rolling back over. I'd be definitely watching for a close of the gap down here, probably that 159 potentially this week, but we will see what happens there. So this week I'm gonna say I'm bearish on gold, but just for this week. So silver, with silver, same exact thing, kind of got up to that 20 level, poked our head up, and just rolling back, maybe a gap fill with the 50 period moving average right around 1850. I do like silver down there. AAPL. Apple just kind of churning, going sideways. Bigger picture, we're exactly where we were all the way over a year and a half ago. Think about it, right? We're back in July of 2021, we were at 150. Guess what? In November of 2022, we're at 150. Apple's gone absolutely nowhere, dead money. Nothing on Apple. And then finally, let's take a look at NVIDIA. No, I don't look at this, but it's had a massive move off. I think longer term, you can maybe look to be a buyer. Again, no, this is financial advice. I'm just some dude on YouTube. But I do like this probably point of control level, the 133. If we do have a deeper pullback, probably dip below right around this 134, 35 level. I like it for a potential longer term bounce. So that's about it for this week. I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving Day, and be careful out there next week. Low volume, but there are opportunities. A slow market is sometimes a good market, very technical, things like that, good ways to potentially make money. So till next time, we'll talk to you soon.